How to log in to HeyGen. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be guiding you through the process of logging into HeyGen. Whether you're a new user or just need a quick refresher, we've got you covered. So let's dive right in. First of all, open Google from your PC or your phone. It's the same process on both mobile and computer. I'm away from the computer, so I can't show it through a computer, therefore I'm showing it through mobile. Anyways, we'll go into Google's search option and search for HeyGen.com. After searching, it'll directly bring you to HeyGen's page. Now I'll put it into desktop mode to explain it to you. Then directly click on the sign up button. So we need to open an account first. Here it says sign into HeyGen with Google. This means you can directly log into your Gmail by just clicking on it. Here I will click on the option named sign up with email. After giving your email address, here they will send a notification to the email. After giving that verification code, your account will be opened. So, without making so much trouble, you can log in directly with your Gmail account. Do as I've shown. So, for this, you have to click on this Google option. After selecting your Gmail, click on the Confirm option. So, your account has been opened. Do whatever you're instructed to do, like your type of work, on which website you will upload videos, and what kind of video. Give all the details here. After a while after loading, you'll see an option called Get Started. Click on it. So then what type of video do you want to make? Put the video here. From here I will click on the Filmmaker Video Editor option and click on the Continue button. Then click Continue from here. Enter your company size here, then what type of video I am, my video entertainment, so I'm clicking on entertainment here. Then click here according to which platform you want to release the videos. Alright, thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe for more.